Hi, I'm John. Welcome to Small Loft Workshop. In this video I thought I'd share some of my tips on buying really good quality but cheap power tools. So I'm a little bit of a Dewalt man, and as you can see from the line up here, that pretty much reinforces that. These are amongst my favourite tools when I'm working in the workshop. I thought I would share with you a really good strategy that I've used to buy some really good quality second-hand tools and boost my tool collection. My first tool was this combi drill driver, which came with two 1.5 amp batteries. My next purchase was this XR brushless impact driver, and I bought this as a bare tool as it works with the same batteries I already had. Just to add a little bit more power, I also bought this 3 amp battery. When I was considering buying a power saw, and before I had this space, I bought a Dewalt Flexvolt. This saw came with two 54/18 volt 6 amp Flexvolt batteries, and they really pack a punch. So I had now had 5 batteries. Now these batteries are very different from the old version of the 18 volts, which have like kind of a plug that sits in the base of the tool, where these sit in the grooves. On eBay, people seem to be selling the previous version of the 18 volt tool. Maybe they've just exhausted the batteries and don't want to buy new batteries, or maybe they just want to upgrade to the newer version of the tool. So I bought 2 of these tools from eBay. I bought this drill for £12, and I bought this jigsaw for £34. Both have the old style battery mount. Now I don't have these type of batteries, but what I found out before buying these is you can actually buy a battery adapter that fits into the old style tool at the top, and the new batteries fit the bottom. Now on eBay I paid £12 for this, and this was in 2019. Looking on Amazon at the moment, they seem to be selling for about £16. So for less than £60, or about $85, I had 2 brand new tools. To use the adapter, mounts into the tool like the original 18 volt battery would, and then the new style battery just slides in as it does to a new tool. These tools run really well, and if you've seen some of my previous YouTube videos, you will see me using this jigsaw on quite a few of them. Last year I bought this Ryobi R18 router as a present. It has some great reviews online, and it is half the price of the Dewalt version. Now I don't own any Dewalt batteries, and I don't really want to buy any. There is an adapter that specifically joins the Ryobi machines and the Dewalt batteries together, and this is it. This is called, if you can see that, this is called a Badaptor or Badaptor. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it. And these retail at the moment on Amazon for about £20. And it's the same principle as the Dewalt battery. The mount goes into the top of the tool like that. And then you just take your Dewalt battery, put that in there, and you're good to go. This was the latest router I've added to my collection, and I really find the battery router useful for working outside when I just need 2 minutes to put a chamfer or a bevel on something. So I hope this video has been useful to you, and it may have even saved you some money. If you have any comments, please leave them below, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I have various projects in progress in the workshop at the moment, and I'll be sharing these with you soon. So until then, bye.